they taught me how to pray. Whole switch just started sliding. Hey, wasted track, kick, sharp, sharp, snares, fast, 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 fast. I was raised where the wolves eat the weak, where love got traded for survival instincts. Hands that should've guided me scarred my skin, told me be a win while killing the child within it. They smelled innocence, called it prey, fed me lies till my soul went gray. Taught me power was teeth and rage, not knowing I was gold in a wolfskin cage. I learned how to growl before I spoke, learned to trust, listen more than hope. They sharpened my heart like a blade, turned my tears into something they could take. I became what I needed to survive, but not what I was born to be alive. I was raised by wolves, taught to bleed. They fed me fear, complained the beat. But God knew me before the scars, before the dark, before the bars. I was raised by wolves, learned to fight. But heaven saw me through the night. They made a monster out of pain, but God came and called me by my name, by my name, by my name. Scripture said train a child in a way, but they trained me to hate what I became. They quoted streets, not holy ground, so I grew loud just to not drown. They took advantage of my open hands, mistook my kindness for something they could command. But the Lord is close to the broken, even when I couldn't see Him. He was closer than my skin. I walk like Cain with Abel's heart, love too pure and a vicious part, but you meant it for evil. The word reminds God meant it for good. I would teach so I wouldn't be eaten, war anger so I wouldn't be beaten. But you didn't give me a spirit of fear, you gave me truth when the lies were near. I was molded by mud but breathed by God. Hands on my soul, they forgot you're sovereign. They raised a beast but you saw a son, pull me from the wall when damage was done. Though I